Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be doing some coconut curry goat. And for this recipe we're going to start with freshly cleaned goat meat, and next we're going to move on to the ingredients. And first we're going in with that curry powder, followed by some garlic powder, and all-purpose seasoning. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, and then I'll be using some black pepper. Next, I'm going in with some fresh veggies: onion, garlic, bell peppers, ginger, parsley, scallion. Now I love garlic, so I'm going in with some garlic paste. And of course, green seasoning. Now we're just going to mix everything together. And this is how it looks as it's all seasoned. I am going to allow it to marinate for a few hours, and then we're going to start cooking. And guys, now it's time to start cooking. And I just went in with some coconut oil. And next I'm going to start going in with some curry powder. Now in here I have a mix of Better Pack curry powder and Chief's curry powder. I'm going to start to go in. Now I like to go in with just a little bit of water to make more like a slurry. Now I'm going to go in with the meat. And because I did it like a slurry, I can go in with the seasoning attached. And that's why I like doing it this way. And this is a few minutes later. As you guys can see, it has started to sprout its own juices, which is what I want. And next, I'm going to go back in with some more of those fresh veggies. And again, this is the combination of onion, garlic, ginger, bell peppers. I also have seasoning pepper. I have scallion and parsley and fresh thyme. Next, we added some hot water to that bowl it marinated in. At this point, you can go in with some salt and black pepper, and we're going to cover the pot and allow it to cook. Now you're going to be adding hot water gradually. So guys, this is how it is looking. The goat has been cooking for about an hour and 15 minutes so far. And next I'm going to go in with some coconut milk. Now this is one of my favorite brands of coconut milk. I'm just going to go in with about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. And I'm going to start to go in with some potatoes next. I just diced up 2 medium-sized potatoes. And this is 15 minutes later. The curry goat is pretty much all done. I just went in with some scallion for garnishing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I do look forward to you guys tuning in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.